Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the 3 miles overpass, and that's the overpass straight ahead. This is the only double overpass in Jamaica. So the lower lane is Spanish Town Road and the upper overpass is Hagley Park Road. Now this intersection that we're at, the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road, is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So that's why the overpass was built here. It was done under the major infrastructure development program. So we're just going to drive on this side of this overpass. And there you can see the upper overpass ahead. It was done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and it has made a huge difference in the flow of traffic in this area. Now at this intersection, if you turn left, you go up, take Hagley Park Road up to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. Turn left at Spanish Town Road there, and then you head towards the Portmore Expressway, which takes you into Portmore, and you also head towards Marcus Garvey Drive that takes you into downtown Kingston, probably the second busiest place in Jamaica. So you can, and then if you stay on this overpass, if we continue going straight, you go into downtown Kingston also, but you're going to you have a lot of communities off Spanish Town Road, so it's a very busy road. And we're going to make a U-turn, and if we head back on Spanish Town Road in the opposite direction, it takes you to Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, and that's the main road to go into and out of the city of Kingston. So that's why this intersection is so busy. And that's why this overpass was built here. Now we're going to go under the overpass now to the original intersection. See if I have a good look from this side. Okay, there's a sign, straight ahead, Spanish Town, turn left, Portmore, turn right, Halfway Tree. And that sign says it all. The busiest place in Jamaica is Halfway Tree. The largest populations, or the most populated areas you're going to find outside the city of Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town. So that will give you an idea of just how busy this intersection is. On the left now is Bell Road, and that is where you find a lot of manufacturing companies